welcome back. You're watching No Reservations with myself, Aisha Alam Khan. I've got Mishi Khan with me. We want to get in a little bit deeper as to who she really is. But before we do that, we're joined by our second guest for this evening. This is again someone I've known for many, many years. He disappears. Now you see him. Now you don't. Where is he? He's someone who has a reputation for always being late, never appearing on time. You'd probably guess who it is if you have any knowledge of history of the stars of Pakistan. This is, of course, Nadeem Jafri. Good evening.
Good evening, Aisha. Thank you so much.
आपके बारे में ये कहा जाता है कि, and I've said this off air, I'm going to say it on air officially, कि अगर आप किसी को बोलें कि I'm going to come today, and if you show up by day after tomorrow, we should consider ourselves lucky that you at least came. So thank you for coming on the show at least.
Height of exaggeration, I would say.
Listen, I know this firsthand, so it is not exaggeration at all. He's lying right now. No, but I'm assuming
that's what you do in your show? You invite people and you do this?
Yes. But no. But it's...
No, you said yes.
I do, actually, I do. I plead guilty. But it's been a long time.
Long time.
And going back, the Nadeem Jafri and the vision that you had for Nadeem Jafri and the Nadeem Jafri that we are seeing today.
Yeah.
What happened?
What happened?
Is it the same vision that you had for yourself?
Yeah, you're right. It's not exactly the same vision. But I think there are a lot of things you yourself don't know. Man
makes his plans and God laughs.
No, it's not that. It's not that. One of my plans. This was one of my plans.
Okay.
But not exactly my focus. Obviously, my focus was to become a composer, to release an album, to establish music, some more music, some new kind of music in the market. But it came on the way, and I thought I'm enjoying it. I love it. I love doing this, and I found out that there's a kid inside me, and he's alive. It's alive.
This I know for sure. Nadeem is a total bacha. I mean, I remember we used to go on crabbing trips together. You know, there Nadeem would be like terrifying. Swimming to nahi aati thi, lekin samandar mein koodna hai. And that, I think, it says a lot about your personality. You may not know what you're doing, but you'll jump into it anyway.
My God, she jumped in the middle of the sea.
Socho.
Yes, and she was swimming, and we were all watching.
He didn't know how to swim, and he still jumped in the sea.
I didn't. At that point, I didn't.
I think he's the most fun-loving person I know.
And we've been doing this for a lot of...
But there's also, Nadeem is also, again, extremely compassionate.
Yes.
Extremely sensitive. Your most painful moment in life. Describe that for us.
Obviously, when my mom died, and obviously when my dad died. And when my dad died, I was away. I was in USA. And he died here, and we couldn't even meet each other. We couldn't see each other. So that was a real different moment, because I never thought it will be like this ever. But time is the best healer. I'm living with their memories. It's still painful, but not that much.
But didn't you ever feel when you, guilty feeling hoti hai ki yaar agar main wahan hota? Did you ever feel that, ki, you know?
Obviously, Aisha, kaise nahi hogi? क्यों नहीं होगी? बिकॉज जिंदगी का सबसे ऐसी चीज जो बदल नहीं सकते आप काफी चीजें बदल सकते हैं. नैमुल बदल होता है.
ये वो लम्हे हैं जो आप कभी वापस नहीं ले सकते.
नहीं ले सकते आप, नहीं ले सकते. एंड आई रिमेंबर द लास्ट टाइम व्हेन आई वाज टॉकिंग टू हिम, आई वाज इन ह्यूस्टन, और उनको मैंने कहा कि फर्स्ट टाइम मैं टूर पे गया हुआ था, और उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि तुम अपने वो शोज अच्छे करना और ये अच्छे करना. हमेशा ही यूज्ड टू encourage me every time when I talk to him. वो हमेशा मुझे encourage करते थे. और लास्ट जब वो मुझे याद है, मैं ह्यूस्टन से हम जा रहे थे बाय रोड, बफलो से होते हुए हम कनाडा जा रहे थे. तो उन्होंने मुझे कहा, बस वो लास्ट टाइम जब उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि यार क्या कर रहे हो, मैंने कहा बस वे टू कनाडा. तो कहने लगा यार अब आ जाओ. बस वो टाइम मेरा इतना उसके बाद से बुरा गुजरा है, बिकॉज आई नेवर हर्ड हिम सेइंग यू कम. हमेशा कहते थे तुम जाओ, तुम काम करो, तुम मेरी वजह से नहीं रुको. बिकॉज आफ्टर माई मॉम डाइड, मैं और डैडी अकेले रहते थे घर में. और शी इज द विटनेस, शी इज बीन विद, वी आर वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड्स. और इसने वो मेरा पूरा जो टाइम है मेरी तरह एब्जॉर्ब किया जिस तरह मैंने किया. एंड एक्चुअली दैट वाज द टाइम द फोकस भी थोड़ा सा चेंज हुआ कि म्यूजिक, मैंने कहा यार रहने दे यार, म्यूजिक तो होगा यार, अभी चीजें ग्रैब करने का है, लाइफ और तरफ जा रही है, इसको ठीक करने की. तो ऑब्वियसली पेनफुल.
लेकिन लाइफ को आपने फिर से आपने पकड़ ली, लाइफ की टांग.
हाँ, मैंने पकड़,
और राधा बीवी की टांग आपने पकड़ ली थी when you got married and now mashallah you've moved on.
Yeah.
What was that like?
Wonderful actually. Dania is her name and she's a miracle. Because she, जब मुझे दोस्त चाहिए होता है तो उसमें दोस्त होता है मौजूद, जब मुझे बीवी चाहिए होती है तो बीवी मौजूद होती है उसमें, एंड ये औरतों में मिलना बहुत मुश्किल काम है, तो वो है उसके अंदर, तो इसलिए मुझे वो बड़ा, इसीलिए हम साथ चल भी रहे, वरना मेरे जैसे राउडी किस्म के आर्टिस्ट के साथ रहना आसान काम
बड़ा मुश्किल काम होता है. हाँ. Mishi, coming back to you. You came back to Pakistan after a long time, and so much has happened in people's lives. People move on, people go on, and yet we all have a history, a shared history, whatever it is. How does it feel when you come back in? For example, you're sitting now with Nadeem. Yeah. Now, before when you were, when you guys were friends, it was in a different context. You were in a relationship with a friend of his, whatever. Things were completely different. Especially when you've been hurt, deeply hurt. How does that affect your other relationships? And what was that period like for you?
No, I was actually never hurt that way, where I need to go and unwind. That's why I'm saying that if you give 200% where your relationships are concerned, then you don't have that thing कि उसके guest, उसके दोस्त मिल गए तो क्या होगा? फिर मैं उनसे what will I say to them? Will I be able to face them? Actually, you only can face people if you've been very honest.
And you have nothing to hide.
You have nothing to hide.
Yes.
So it was never a problem. And I think I used to talk to him while I was in Dubai as well. I used to call him sometimes. Remember, I see random call. Okay, Nadeem, what are you doing? So ye ho raha, wo raha. So I actually was connected with all my friends while I was there.
What's happening with your music career now?
I'm making IDs. I've been making IDs for the last 7 years. I've designed the most famous news channel ID.
Okay.
Censor. मैंने बैंक सेंसर कर दिया. Okay. And then वहाँ से start हुआ वो सिलसिला. और उसके बाद PTV and then Sama and then Roshni TV and then TV Today. बस लोगों ने इस काम पे लगा दिया. अच्छा I was a शिकागो लिसनर. वो शिकागो एक बड़ा मशहूर है और मैं शिकागो का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ. अच्छा, शिकागो तो कीबोर्डिस्ट है, वो PhD है म्यूजिक में. अच्छा. तो ही इज अ मिस्ट्रो. तो उसका सीन ये था, वो जो म्यूजिक बनाता है वो बड़ी इंटेलेक्चुअल, उसके गानों की म्यूजिक भी बड़ी इंटेलेक्चुअल होती है और सिर्फ जो समझदार लोग हैं वो कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं उससे. तो मैं शिकागो का फैन था और मुझे न्यूज़ म्यूजिक
आप समझदार हैं.
नहीं, मैं ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि मुझे न्यूज़ म्यूजिक मिली.
मतलब एक ही बात है ना, मैं समझदार हूँ, therefore मैंने कनेक्ट किया.
मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, लोगों को पता है.
कितने समझदार हैं.
I'm going to have to cut you off right now. I'm so sorry. It's time for us to take a break. We have with us.
But we have to continue this.
We have to continue this discussion because he's Samajhdar. And we will come back to the Samajhdar Nadeem and the wonderful Mishi Khan right after this break. Stay with us. You're watching No Reservations.